Welcome to Emammy News Desk.
Emammy Premier Camp Series April 2026 edition is here.
Learners from all our campuses will participate in the Emammy Premier Camp Series. It will be their home away from home.
Emammy Premier Camp Series April 2026 edition will take place from Thursday 9th to Sunday 12th April 2026.
Learners will enjoy various activities full of fun. They will acquire socialization and interactive skills. At the end of the camp, learners will receive a certificate of participation and many more exciting surprises. During this camp, learners will enjoy popping fresh popcorns together, farm visits and animal projects, talent shows and entertainment nights,
Bonfire nights and storytelling, movie nights, fun ball games and team competitions, making delicious sandwiches as a group,
stargazing under the beautiful night sky, hiking adventure, swimming session, ice cream treats, and many more exciting fun games and surprises. What will learners gain during this camp? They will acquire fun learning outside the classroom and confidence which will build their holistic development.
Our menu will be child-friendly and appetizing. There will be a well-balanced diet throughout this camp.
Join our 3-day Emammy Premier Camp Series April 2026 edition for your child's holistic development. Remember, admission is still ongoing in all our campuses. See you there and don't miss out.